is it possible to copyright and patent the same thing at the same time? Really interesting question here. So
Might as well say
copyright,
right?
yeah, why go for the full triple in park home run and keep it as a trade secret too. So I mean, you can do certainly a filing with the Copyright Office, and I don't claim to be a copyright registration expert. From my understanding of that process with the Library of Congress, it's a separate governing body. There's no examiners at the Copyright Office. Its main purpose is to register and just create an undeniable database of when something was submitted, by who. Here is the substance of the work, of the artistic work, whether it's written, visual, sculpture, and that's it. And so it can act as a nice, on its face, evidence of submittal by a alleged author. There's no requirement for novelty, right? It doesn't need to be one of a kind, doesn't need to have certain rules with respect to commerce like Trademark does. So I suppose if you've got, a three-dimensional work of art you think might also be worthy of design patent protection, yeah, maybe you could file that sculpture as a piece of artwork with the Copyright Office and file as a design patent with the U.S. Patent Office. And you could secure both. And if you're going to be selling that sculpture, you might as well consider going into business and filing your trademark for your business too, and keeping the methods for how to make that thing as a trade secret. So